Today, we're diving into the powerful world of Google Sheets functions. Specifically, we'll demystify the COUNTIF function, a handy tool for counting cells that meet specific criteria. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Google Sheets document. If you're working with an existing sheet, great. If not, create a new one by clicking the colorful icon labeled blank or choose from a template. Step 2. Decide where you want to use the COUNTIF function. Let's say you have a list of sales transactions in column A and you want to count how many sales exceeded $500. Step 3. Click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Type the following formula, equals COUNTIF, A1, A100, greater than 500. Replace A1, A100 with the actual range of cells containing your sales data. Step 4. Press Enter, and voila! The function will count how many sales meet the condition, greater than $500, in the specified range. Step 5. Want to count specific text values? Modify the condition. For example, equals COUNTIF, B1, B50, completed. This counts how many cells in column B contain the word completed. Step 6. Remember that COUNTIF is case insensitive. If you want a case-sensitive count, use COUNTIFs instead. Congratulations! You've just leveled up your spreadsheet skills with the COUNTIF function. Stay curious and keep exploring.